This is a follow-up video on the TriStar 31 at Horstman 1981. The boat is in solid shape, though there was some damage discovered on it. Part of it was part of the yard that had done it when they had put on these stirrups here without the proper cushioning. Ended up causing a crack here that they've now fixed, and they've done a fantastic job fixing it, as well as back here. As you can see, it is all been done. They did actually a very, very solid job on it. Here, fixed all that part there, and as well as back here, you can see where they patched it. So all that is in great shape there, as well as reinforced the underside right here. They were even awesome enough to fix a crack that was back here. So that was all glassed and fixed over. Now, it became pointed out by somebody that there was a soft spot on it. So I looked around and I found it right here. That's how it should be sounding. And that's how it sounds here. And then it gets solid again here. So this area right here really needs to be reinforced with some glass before going back in the water. My boat guy looked at it. He said that he could have that done for $1,000. Somebody else could do it for probably about $400 if they did it themselves. I was also wanting to do a follow-up on the deck spots as well, because that was something that I believe in my other video it was covered, and so I wanted to give a good idea of what those spots look like. Here's the first one right here, and you can see with my arm about the exposed area. Now, we've had very dry weather, so that's been great for this, been able to dry all this out here. But as you can see, all this here is pretty rotten. This whole bit basically would have to come out, take off this hardware here, cut this part out here, relay that spot. The other extreme spot on this side, and it is essentially this whole wing right here, from here just about up, right before the well. Well's in a good spot, but really, again, taking this out, cutting this part out here, all this, and then pulling this, and then re-plying here, re-glassing as well, as you got some rot in that spot there. So those are the two big spots. Meant to bring a tape measure, but just wanted to make sure that it was apparent about those. The rest of the deck, excellent shape. You could river dance on it without issue at all. So, still got a solid boat. Somebody else was asking about the rigging, and that is in good shape. Couldn't tell you if it was original or not, but no corrosion on it, anything like that. You see the running rigging all used up, could use replacing.